Hello, this is Lolly with the February My Monthly Hero Kit, and this is a kit that's a monthly subscription from Hero Arts. You can join anytime, you can cancel anytime, but they do want 15 days notice. You can't just decide you don't like a particular kit and cancel. It is $34.99 shipped, and it's usually like, I can't remember, a $70 value, and they do offer international for a $10 shipping fee. I went ahead and just removed the label and cut it open. This is unusual, that usually comes in a smaller box. So let's see what we have in here. Looks like a catalog maybe in there. Okay, well, I love the colors already. And it says that the ink cubes are nest, robin's egg, and feather. Cute. So it's definitely bird themed. Oh, look at this. I mean, you can see the grain on this paper. It's like a wood grain. Very cool. So this is stone wood grain stock, and this is Bubinga wood grain stock. It's wood grain on the other side. So it's not, the other side is more like just a, not a wood grain, but just like a linen weave. Very cute. And look at these little bird's nests, almost little wreaths, mini grapevine wreaths. So, and we've already talked about these: nest, robin's egg, and feather. Like that has to be the nest, and that has to be robin's egg, so that must be feather. Very pretty colors. And as always, we save the ribbon because that can be used for other things. Just press it out and get the wrinkles out of it. Now, the stamps are unusual this time, I felt, in that they were so similar. There's not, I mean, they're all birds, and they're all solids from a different angle, and feathers, too. So, this is a 6 inches by 8 inches, and it says, and there are sayings here: love you, hey, girlfriend. What's the word? Hi there, happy birthday, thanks. Special, spread your wings, congrats, sending you sunshine. You are one cool chick. So happy for you. Tweet. Chirping you on. Sending you hugs. What was that one? Feel better soon. And little stamps like a heart and little flower there. But there's a branch. Small branch. There's little music notes because of the tweet and chirping you on. But then there's these several different birds. Some are in flight. Some are standing, so, you know, and they're facing different directions, so it's very interesting. And then here's the die set, and I want to remove this because sometimes it's hard to see the dies when they're on such a busy background. Let's see if we can do this. No, they're stuck, and I hate to... Okay, there we go. It says that there are 24 coordinating dies, so look at that. So it looks like the branch and every bird and every little flower here. That's and there's a nest right there. And another branch that there's no stamp for. Very cute. Very interesting. Okay. And it says, share your celebrations on Instagram. Okay, so what was this so large for? Yes, it is. It's a Hero Arts catalog for 2018. Interesting. So this will have their new releases in it as well. One other thing while I'm flipping through this, one other thing is that with this subscription, once they email you and let you know what the kit is going to look like in any particular month, there is an opportunity for you to order a second kit with it. And also some accessories, stamps, and dies that would go with the kit. I mean, that would coordinate with the kit, not necessarily go with it, but would coordinate with that kit. And you can, so you can place those orders. But anything you add to your subscription that month is, look at this. Anything you add to your subscription will be shipped with no additional shipping charge. This is just so fascinating for me. It just brings back memories because years and years ago, after I stopped selling dots, I started selling stamps and paper in my house. and I taught stamping classes, and I used to have an account, a wholesale account with Hero Arts, and I carried their line. So always looked forward to their catalog. So I hope that was it was a really fast flip through, but they always have such great stuff. Okay, anyway, thank you for watching. Just keep in mind that these kits do sell out very quickly. Should you want one. This kit, as of this video, this kit is still available. And I have personally called and just canceled my subscription for now because, and I'm sure you'll understand this, I feel like I have several kits and things that I have purchased that I'm getting backed up on being able to catch up and actually use the products. So I thought for my sake I should just slow down and back up a little bit and actually use the product instead of just accumulate and accumulate and accumulate. Very cute set, and thank you for watching.